Attention, Nigerians and Africans. Are you ready to master a high-income global skill that can change your life? A skills you can learn in a single day and earns you for life. A day training that will turn you a luxury building interior decorator and a producer of paint, wall clock, epoxy furniture, royal dishes, award frame, earrings, and many more. Welcome to Paradise Image Nigeria Limited, Skills and Career Development Academy, Nigeria's #1 and most trusted epoxy decoration brand. With over 10 years of excellence with multiple awards, we proudly present our July edition, 3D epoxy decoration and resin craft, practical training. Learn 90% hands-on skills like 3D epoxy floor, wall, and ceiling designs, metallic and glitter epoxy, resin crafts, from tables to jewellery, plus free bonus skills, stamped concrete paint production Facebook ads for your business. No experience needed. You'll get government-approved certificate, take-home manual mentorship. You will become a member of our wealth community, first contract support. Plus, we sell all materials. Training fee, just 50,000 naira. Pay at the venue on the training day. Training holds 5th July 2025 at Abuja, Lagos, Ibadan, Port Harcourt, and Owerri. Sign up today and start earning